Hello
Hello,
guys.
welcome back again.
Yeah.
Yes. So now we have one more video that we study about another fiber.
Yes.
Because all of my video always fiber to
Found.
find in the puzzle game.
Yeah.
So now we have fiber that we need to show and read for you first.
Okay,
So
now I
we
will
have
read. Octopus.
Octopus. You
Octopus.
Yeah, like this.
Octopus. Octopus. Peacock. Peacock.
Peacocks.
Peacock. Peacock. Cookies.
Cookie.
Cookies.
Cookie.
Starfish.
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 And
Sunflower.
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 So now everyone can check the puzzle game. So now we keep around 30 minutes for you. Oh, sorry, 30 seconds, not 30 minutes. 30 seconds for you to find. Now, do you see some word already or not yet? So now I start count from 6, 11 minutes. So around 1 minute. 1 minute.
I starving.
Yeah. So until 6:12. Now 6:12 already. Yeah. So now, do you see any word already or not yet? So if not yet, I am and Sievny will be find together, and then you also can find with us in the puzzle game. Okay. So now start to find
Octopus.
No, I want you to start from Starfish.
Starfish.
Yeah, Starfish. Let's start from Starfisa.
Yeah.
So start to find. Oh, you move a little.
I see sun.
You see some?
Yeah, here.
So start with S. We find S.
Yeah.
Oh, you already see starfish. Starfish. Yes, correct. So circle the starfish. So starfish. Yeah, correct. See, find it. Starfish.
You always found 0 time.
Okay, I take for you. And then
This is over.
I want you to find cookie. Yeah,
Cookies. I see octopus.
Together. You move to our viewer can find with you. Cookie. C. Letter C. Double O. C. Where is C? C. No. C. No. C. O. No.
Wait, I got an idea. Let's see
C.
one by one. Oh!
Yes. Cookie here. So
I love cookie.
Yeah.
Let's try it.
I-E-S. Yeah, I-E-S. Yeah, correct. Cookie.
After that, we're gonna go somewhere to eat.
Sunflower.
Sunflower. It's so easy how to find it.
S-U-N.
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 I see peacock. S-U-N-O. S-U-N-O.
S-U-N. Sun. S.
This one, this is.
S. No, not correct. S-U.
I starving very much.
S-U. You move a little bit for someone also. S-U-N.
Where
I found already. Yeah, you see already? Not yet.
You found only one time. We got some 2 times.
Yeah, I found here sunflower.
I always focus there, but I just still finding.
So sunflower, yes, sunflower.
Now peacock.
Yeah, now peacocks.
That is here.
Oh, you already see peacock. Yes, alright. P E A C O C K. Peacocks.
This really
Yeah, correct.
Wow.
Correct. And the last one.
Octopus is just near to your arm or shoulder. It's just here.
Oh yes, octopus here.
Daddy.
Yeah, octopus. Octopus.
Octopus.
So now
If you go to the sea beach, we gonna eat octopus.
Yeah, when we go to the beach
or sea.
Yeah, or sea we eat the octopus.
And then
Now the game we already find all 5 words in the puzzle already.
Last time I just dreaming.
We review the word is
Octopus, peacock, cookie, starfish, sunflower.
And again we
Octopus, Sievny, octopus.
We spelling. So you stand there to spelling.
Yeah.
Yes. Spelling octopus. Octopus we just spell
Octopus. Peacock, Peacock. Okay.
Peacock.
Peacock. Cookie. We eat the cookies.
Cookie.
Cookis. Starfish. Starfish.
And sunflower.
We go there last time.
Yes.
When I just 3 years old.
Okay.
I not just study.
Yeah.
SUNFLOWER. And last time I dreaming that one too. I want last time my mommy used the feet to kick me away from the bed. I just fell.
So now we already find the 5 words and play the game already.
But it's all correct.
Yeah, that is all correct. So thank you everyone for watching our video.
And if we say it wrong, comment and like, subscribe.
If our video is not correct or something that have some mistake, you can comment us below our video. And don't forget, subscribe our channel to support us. Learn more for next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.